Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see how to design bottom navigation like Pinterest. If you don't know what is Pinterest, then Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service. So you can see on your screen that we will design bottom navigation like this. If you want to learn bottom navigation with Fragment, then watch this video. Link is given in the description. Before moving to our tutorial, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and comment below. So let's begin. First, create an Android project. Make sure you have selected Kotlin language. Now for bottom navigation, first we will design our menu file. So in the resource folder, right click and in the new tab we will click on the Android resource directory, and in this resource directory we will find out menu directory. And let's click on this OK button. Now in this menu directory we will create one menu file. So we will give it the name as menu item and hit OK. Now for bottom navigation we will generate 4 menu. So write item and first we will specify the name. So write title and we will give the title as home. After that we will specify the ID as home and we will quickly generate 3 more menu items for our bottom navigation. Watch the video till end so you will understand properly. Now for this 4 menu item we will specify our icon. So to generate icons we will right click on this drawable and in the new tab we will select vector assets, and in this vector assets we will click on this clip art and we will search for our icon like home, and we will quickly generate 4 icons for our menu items. Now let's specify that icon here. So write icon and here we will give home icon like that. Here we will specify search icon and here we will specify the favorite icon, and at the end here we will specify the soft card icon. So we have done with our menu file. It is a best practice to always write the string in string.xml file. Now to generate this type of bottom navigation we need 2 more files. First for the background. So right click on this drawable folder and in the new tab select drawable resource and we will give the name as bg because we have to generate the background of this bottom navigation. So in this file remove this code and type shape. Now we will generate shape as rectangle. So write Android. So this will show error because we have to add the prefix Android shape equal to rectangle, and between this shape we will create solid Android color equal to we will give the white color, and after that we have to cut the corners. So write corners radius and we will specify the radius as 100 dp. So we have generated our background. Now we have to generate one item selector file. So right click on drawable folder and in the new tab select drawable resource and type item underscore selector. Now in this selector file, when user have selected the item we have to set the color as black. So write item Android state underscore pressed true. So it means when we click on the item we have to set the item color as black. Now when item is checked, so we will write state checked true, then we will also set the color as black, and when item is not selected we have to set the color as silver. So I am specifying the color code. It is best practice to write all the color code in the color.xml file. So we have created all the files which we have to need to create bottom navigation. Now let's move to our activity underscore main.xml file and design our bottom navigation. Now here we will remove this text view and we will set the background color of this activity as silver, and here we will take bottom navigation view and we will give the width to match parent and height to wrap content. After that we will specify the ID as bottom nav and we will give the margin as 30 dp. After that, we will give the background which we have created. So write background equal to bg. So you can see our bottom navigation is look like an Pinterest. Now we will set the elevation to 2 dp. After that, we will specify icon size as 30 dp. Now we have to specify our menu file. So write f:/menu, and here we have to give the menu. You can see that menu is displayed with the menu name. So we have to hide our menu name. So write label visibility mode and set as unlabeled. So our text is hide. Now we will set our selector file. So write item icon tint, and here @drawable/item_selector. So to put this bottom navigation in the bottom, first we will change the layout to linear layout, and we will set the orientation to vertical. After that, here we will specify layout gravity to bottom, and below this bottom navigation we will take one text view, and we will give the height and width to wrap content. We will set the text as Pinterest bottom bar example, and we will set the layout weight to 1, and we will set text size to 20 sp, and set the layout gravity to center. So we can see we have created the bottom navigation as we have seen in the Pinterest application. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any query, DM us on Instagram or comment below. You can get this source code. Link is given in the description box. Stay tuned.